Alright guys, welcome to Naija Sales Plug. So today we are here in Makurdi and we just want to move around, buy some things and eat some things and then do a lot of things. So we have one of the staff here with Naija Sales Plug.
Good day, sir.
Good day, sir. How you doing?
I'm fine. Very well.
Okay.
Yes, Naija Says Block Trade Fair, like you know, it's season 2. It's an avenue where we bring people together, buyers and sellers. We've been running this platform as an online platform for a while, and then we noticed one of the issues that people have of trust and credibility. So we try to bring these people
Close.
down so they can actually come and meet them face to face and see that these people are actually doing genuine business, that they can actually trust them to do business with them.
Alright, so for how long have you been doing this?
The group is over 3 years. We're getting
3
to 4
years.
now.
Wow, that's serious. So what do we expect here? Because we're going to go to the market and look around and see how we have.
We have all sorts of things. Christmas came early, actually. You go here, there's nothing you want for Christmas that you can't find. We have live goods, and we have what's it called? We have food stuff. We have clothing. We have all sorts of things, fashion, everywhere.
Okay, so what about the price? Because me, I'm considering the price.
Yes.
I have 500 naira here. So when
I'm sure you'll find something for 500.
so you mean something that they are selling it for 5,000 or 1,000? I can get this here for 500.
I can't tell you that exactly, but our prices are really, really good because the whole essence is to give people an opportunity to celebrate Christmas in a very easy way that it doesn't bite on their pockets.
Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'll have to go to the POS and look for some money and go into the market and see. If I see good price, I'll still come and meet you. If I see bad price, I'll still come and meet you.
I'll be here. I'm sure when you come out, you'll give me more.
All right. What's the name?
My name is David Meve.
David Meve.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you so much. All right. Let's go to the POS.